Have you guys been using the Character AI app and wondering on how to delete multiple messages on it? Then don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple messages in the Character AI app. So let's dive right in. First of all, open the Character AI app just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find your recent chats. Now to delete messages, tap onto one of the chats just like this. And now to remove the multiple messages, keep on tapping onto the message just like this. And after tapping on it, here we can find the remove option just right here. Now select it and tap onto yes. And now you can see the message has been removed. Now to delete other messages, simply do the same process again. Just like this. And now you can see the messages has been removed. And that's it. This is how you can delete multiple messages in the Character AI app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.